Doesn't it seem like every day there is yet another trendy skincare ingredient that's the answer to healthier, younger looking skin? Some products are all talk and others really are the real deal. But with so many options out there, it can be a challenge to make a distinction. In today's video, we are talking all things peptides. The what, the why, the how, the when, and ultimately, do they really work? Hi, I'm Marlene Mertens from Beauty by Code, and I am here to help you find the code behind your skin through skincare trends and clean beauty options, so welcome to my channel. Okay, so the skin needs certain proteins, and these proteins are made up of amino acids, including polypeptides, or peptides for short. Even though both proteins and peptides are made of amino acids, peptides are like a smaller version and contain significantly fewer amino acids than the standard protein. Because peptides are smaller, they may be easier for the body to absorb, and due to their size, they can penetrate the body more easily. Therefore, they can enter your bloodstream quicker. Peptides are naturally present in your skin, and you can also find them in meat, fish, beans, oats, and flax seed. They're also found in a ton of skincare products, and soon enough you will know why. The recent research into peptides does look promising. Listen, there are indicators that they can slow down the aging process and even act as a protector of your microbiome, right? Like destroying unfriendly microbes and reducing inflammation in the process. Peptides may even improve your immune function. They can also lower your blood pressure. They can prevent age-related bone loss and improve wound healing by acting as an antioxidant. So, how exactly does it slow down the aging process? Well, collagen itself, which we know is important for firmer, younger looking skin, is made up of 3 polypeptide chains. So it does kind of make sense that by adding peptides to your routine, your skin will be more stimulated to produce collagen. Peptides contain potential anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, and muscle-building properties. That's why they are found in many health and cosmetic products. Peptides can be taken as a supplement or as a topical cream in some cases. It can also be injected, directed into your body, and this is common with bodybuilders, but that's not my field. Biopeptides are the peptides that scientists are most interested in, as these are the peptides that can really make a positive impact on the human health with beneficial effect on the body. Now, not all peptides are created equal. They will all have different properties and affect the body in different ways depending on the amino acids they contain. I know. But here's the question, do they work, or is this all, just baseless claims as well? Well, I have good news for you here. Studies show that collagen peptides may very well slow down the signs of aging by keeping the skin hydrated and by preventing wrinkles. Okay, but it's not that simple, and it depends on what type of peptides you use. Collagen-rich products typically fall into one of 2 categories, right? Like the old school moisturizers and oral supplements, which are a bit more in vogue. Still, let me tell you, experts remain skeptical about the claims some manufacturers are making in regards to, replenishing lost collagen and improving hydration and elasticity. I would say that there are limited studies that give us like a conclusive differences between taking collagen peptides as an oral supplement or topically, right, like applying a cream. But like several studies show that oral supplements are more effective in improving the skin elasticity. But again, like just be careful, because there are tons of topical products on the market, and studies show that some of them are really effective. But here's the thing, for topical peptides to actually have any benefit, they need to be formulated in a certain way. Peptides are already the breakdown product of proteins. And so in a cream, they need to be stable, right? The formulation needs to be stable, or they will continue to break down further, rendering them, like totally useless. They must be able to effectively, penetrate the skin. If the product just, sits on the skin surface, well, it will be washed off in no time, which seems to be like, there is no point, right? Otherwise, you will rather go for the supplement, it will be in that case more effective. There is a strong research to suggest that copper is a great agent to promote skin healing, which is why this has been used for many years in treating chronic wounds. And of course, because of this, people started putting copper in cosmetics and attaching to copper with peptides, right? In order to deliver the copper to the, the living layers of your skin. So it's a combo, right? Copper and peptides. The idea is that these peptides also have the ability to remove damaged collagen and help with the regeneration of your skin and the cell turnover. And this will, encourage your skin to produce more collagen. Even so, the results from using copper in wound treatment may not transfer to benefits in skincare. It's not actually very clear as to whether, copper peptides work the same way like they work in, damaged or wounded skin as they work in healthy skin. You know what I mean? Peer-reviewed studies that test the efficacy of these treatments on human skin they tend to show that they do work, but it's very recent. When you are searching for peptides in topical form, forget, cleansers or masks that they will, rinse off. Go for leave-on serums or creams that have more chances of penetrating your skin. These products are safe to use twice a day, usually right like in the morning and at night, and ideally you should apply them after an exfoliating toner if you have one, or before any moisturizers or face oils. I would say that you should avoid using them with any products that contain alpha hydroxy acids, because that can reduce their effectiveness, right? They don't work very well together. Now, for anti-aging, peptides are a great option, but they cannot replace retinol, which is the crème de la crème when it comes to anti-aging ingredients. I have a video on retinol. Go watch it after this one. So, if you want maximum results, and of course you do, then you should aim to incorporate both into your skincare routine, right? Use them together in the evening and in the mornings, right? Like you can use peptides in the morning and you can use retinol at night. Be careful, right? Retinol tends to be harsh for delicate areas or for delicate skin, especially the zone, like around your eyes. So you can use peptides around your eyes and retinol in the other areas of your face. You can use them in your eye cream or like in a serum to firm around the eyes and soften the appearance of crow's feet without causing irritation. So, peptides, retinol. If you want to give peptides a try and see how your skin can improve, well, I have a recommendation for you. Drunk Elephant Peptide Cream. If you are looking for, I would say it's more like a moisturizer. It's a luxurious cream that contains 9 different peptides. And it will target dull, dry skin with lack of elasticity. Dry skin. It's for all skin, but it's for dry skin. It will leave your skin, smooth and bouncy after the first use. And over time, you will see like a more improved skin tone. The texture will be different, and you will see, of course, that your skin is more firm. It replenishes and soothes the skin with, it has pygmy waterly stem cells and soybean folic acid. And that will give you like the youthful glow. If you're looking for a serum, you can go for Peter Thomas Peptide Wrinkle Resist Serum. It's great, and you can use it in your face, in your neck, and in your eye area. You will see that your skin is improved. It has vitamin A, C, E, squalane, hyaluronic acid. It has everything. So, if you are looking to kick up your skincare routine a notch, peptides are a great ingredient that you don't want to miss. So, give it a try. But however you decide to take them, like a supplement or a cream, just confirm the products have some scientific backing or credibility, and make sure that they are able to penetrate your skin before you buy. Otherwise, you are just throwing away your money. And like with pretty much anything, right, in life, you have to be dedicated and consistent to see results. Now go to my website beautybycode.com and take the quiz. You are going to find out which acid is best suited for your unique skin type. Hey, listen, thank you for joining me today on this wild peptide ride. Have you heard about peptides before? Have you used them? Let me know in the comments below. Listen, I appreciate you. Thank you very much for being here, and I talk to you soon. Bye for now.